Alright, what we have here is an '08 Mini Cooper, the non-S. And what we're doing today is the dreaded chain tensioner. You can clearly see that when I would start this up, it would sound like a bucket of bolts trying to fall into the motor. Constantly having problems with idle, revving up and down. As you can see, this new one, you gotta really push on it. I can't do it with my hands, but it's a lot more harder. I found taking off the air cleaner there, the lid, to get access. Basic tools. These are really all you need right there. You need the 27 mil screwdriver. Well, you need one, but then you need this for the bottom of the hose here. As I say, this is the non-S, just a regular straight up Cooper. You disconnect this from here. You unbolt this so you can get it out of the way. As you can see, there is right there is your throttle body. You have to disconnect that and move that out of the way. With everything out of the way, obviously this is the old one, but it goes in right there, nice and easy. Now we'll see if that one, when I put the new one in, if that stops it from making it sound like a bucket of bolts. We'll let you know.